It's time to eat good in my hood, baby. Today we're headed to CHON, which essentially means in Korean, my hometown. Okay, so I'm gonna take you somewhere in my hometown to this little restaurant named CHON, the best fried chicken ever. Let's go. I like trying little spots from time to time, even if they're franchise places. It can still be a nice experience. So, with CHON, they fry this chicken 2 times. So it's extra crispy, and the batter that's used is really flavorful, really delicious. No, I'm not a big fried person, but we're gonna give it a shot. Look at the scenery, why not? Right? Here's her spot. CHON! Korean fried chicken. Alright, let's see what my hometown has to offer.
Hi, good, thank you. Just want to place an order to go. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, thanks.
You know, I think I'd like to order the... Oh, you don't have a special today because it's a holiday, right?
We do have
You do? Okay. Okay. So, let's see what we got here. I definitely want the combo. Here are my sauces. Spicy, soy, garlic, or half and half. We'll go half and half with the combo.
Ready?
Yes, thank you. Carla?
C or K?
C.
What do we get for you?
I'd like the combo, 4 wings, 2 drums, half and half. And I'll do the steamed rice.
Anything else?
No. That's gonna do it.
Nothing to drink for you, baby?
No.
1077.
Okay. This looks like a nice spot. Oh, we got the Korean beer. This place looks fairly new, but let's take a look. Oh, history. We like a little history. Since 2002, CHON. Okay, this tells you how CHON has kind of developed over the years. Look at that. Okay. We'll take it. I don't know if it's true. What a neat spot, though. Got the screens. Online ordering now available. I can't wait to crunch into it. Check back in about 10 minutes when our order is up. Okay, we've got our CHON fried chicken. Just find a nice spot to sit over here and just eat. It's so beautiful outside today. I think that I'm going to flop right here, darling. Like I'm still advertising. Okay, let's get ready to try. I know it's good. It smells good in the bag. Smell it. Smell it. Okay, here we go. Of course, we've got steamed rice. Ooh, that's a lot of rice. But I'm not gonna eat eat all of that. That rice will last me a few days. And I've got a handy little wipe here. I can't wait to show you this chicken. Ooh wee. Ooh. It is in a cute little box. Bonchon. I'm supposed to have like 4 wings and 2 drums. We'll see. Oh, they got it even kind of separated, half and half. Okay. So I got the spicy. Oh my god, that garlic. That garlic though. And that's our chicken, twice fried. I could have had it even without the sauce, but let me just let you see how crispy. Look, I know. Listen. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I didn't even eat any meat yet. That's just batter. Mmm. 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 That chicken though, it's not salty, it's not over seasoned. Oh my goodness. Mmm. It's just, if I can talk, that crispiness of the batter has just been basting that meat. The meat is so tender. I mean, you just, I wish you could hear it. We're outside and there's some ambient noise happening, but this is garlic or sweet and spicy. I have no idea, but I like it a lot. Just taste a little of this steamed rice. No, I'm gonna put some leftovers in this one right now. You know when we get those good little takeout containers, we saving them. They gonna be washed. Ooh, it's so nice and sticky. Must have with the I'm gonna try another flavor. Maybe this is hot. It is. Oh, that kicks. That kicks. Oh, I'm tearing up. No, literally, it's making me cry. It's so spicy. So what I'm trying to do is, I know my nose is running. Honey, I can't stop though. great fried chicken. Mm. 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 When I go to the Asian market, I see the bags of batter to make this. I never buy it because I don't fry. But this right here, mmm. Just so the batter makes it super crispy, but what makes it extra crispy on top of all of that is the double fry. That's just a good tip. Even if you're frying at home or a food truck, or you gotta do something for masses of people, double fry is good. Mmm. Mmm. So stinking good. Mmm. And I typically don't eat crunchy things because, oh my goodness, yeah, my nose. Because of the aligners that I wear. The first few days of every set makes my teeth pretty sensitive. So I don't eat a lot of crunchy things, but honey, this was a good cheat. Chicken air rice. So good. Bonchon. My hometown. It is franchise, so you should be able to find it in a local major city, or a small enough city. We've got a couple of them here in Charlotte. This is too good to eat in this one sitting, so I'm gonna have lots of rice, lots of crispy double fried chicken. Probably tomorrow. I'm sure. That was good. Thanks so much for hanging out and eating good in my hood. I'll see you next time. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm Carla Renee. Know that I love you, and I hope you love me back. Bye.